Happy, where is your mother?
Right here.
Oh, lady. It is time.
What is it time for?
What do you think?
For Doorables?
See, tally-ho! I've got all the Doorables in my hands. We're lighting the seance candle. Not in my hands because that's on fire. And she's struggling. Please hold. Let us commence the Doorables seance. Ooh.
And happy Friday. Although you may be watching this a different day of the week, but
TGIF.
TGIF.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tink.
Also, we do wash these glasses, we promise.
Yes, we promise.
Yes. We just like these ones, so we use them all the time. All right, Mama. Are you ready?
I am.
Today, I've got a new series for you. And this one is one that I purposefully picked, not for you, but really for me. And you will find out why when you look out the back. Look out the back, look at the back.
This is series 8, and
Yes.
my guess, I know why she likes it, because Hercules is part of the series, and Huncules is one of her favorite Disney characters.
I have my priorities. Thank you. So let's get this open. We'll guess the doors, and then we will pull them all out. Tally-ho. How many are you guessing, Mama?
I'm going to be optimistic on a Friday and say that there's 7.
I'm going to go with you on that because it's Friday and it's sunny out.
There we go. And that's always a good
The
thing.
adorable gods are smiling down
Yes.
on us. How many is it?
7!
7! Ooh! Ooh. Boom. All right.
Open 'em up.
Let's get these doors open.
It's
go ahead.
the ceremonial yeeting of the box. Yeet.
Good yeet. We can't even see it.
Yes, we didn't want to yeet this direction. I don't want to hit
There's a
puppy.
dog there. Yeah.
And here are the 7.
Do not yeet them. We have Doorables seance here. We don't yeet carefully. Caution. This is a cautionary
It's got to
yeeting.
be a tiny little yeet.
This is a cautionary yeeting. Good job. Okay, the cautionary yeeting has been completed. Pick
Okie
one
dokie.
and start guessing what it is. Who do you think it is, Mom?
I'm thinking a character from Wreck-It Ralph, but I'm not quite sure which one.
All right.
So let's see how right I am. No, but I think you're going to be happy.
Is it somebody from Hercules?
I believe it is someone from Hercules.
Is it? Oh, it's Hades. I already have him. Does he go in the dupe jar then, or do I keep him because he's sassy?
I don't know. That's your choice.
We shall put him down in front and we shall decide
Later on.
momentarily. All right, Mom's gonna start taking a guess on the next one. All right, Mama, who is it?
She's still singing Hercules songs. But I think I'm going to guess Panda May from Turning Red. So let's see if I am correct. Oops.
I loved Turning Red. It was so stinking cute, and Four Town is
Oh,
amazing.
no, it's not.
Mom's not doing well today. Who is it?
I am not.
Who'd you get?
I am not. Wait.
Oh!
Wait a minute.
Flip it over. No, wait, actually, she's right here. What's her name? She's
she
a common.
is a common from Big Hero 6, Honey Lemon.
I love Honey Lemon.
She's very cute. I don't remember her from that movie, but that's okay.
She was one of Hiro's friends.
Oh.
All right, Mama's going to start guessing on the next one. All right, Mama, who is it?
I'm taking a wild guess and maybe going to say Tramp. I'd love it if it was.
Oh my gosh, that would be so
Tramp.
exciting.
But this is a wild guess, and I'm probably completely
He's
wrong.
a tramp.
Way wrong.
But
wait,
we love
wait,
him.
Wait.
Who is it? Are we excited about this?
Yeah, I think it's the King of Hearts. It is the King of Hearts.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute he is. We have the Queen too. So, Mom, is he a rare? What is he?
We have a queen from a different series.
Yes, the Queen from a different
He is
series.
a common.
I didn't realize that the Queen of Hearts had a king. I don't think he does much, if I remember correctly.
No, she rules the roost,
Yeah.
which is the case in a lot of families.
Like ours.
Oh, we share the duties.
I accidentally filmed myself.
All right, let me figure this one
Okay.
out.
All right, Mom, who is it?
I'm gonna guess from Wreck-It Ralph. Is it Jubilina Bing Bing? I'm guessing just because it feels like there's pigtails. So we shall see. Am I correct? And yes, I am.
Yay!
And I believe it's
Ooh, I
Jubilina
zoomed in on me
Bing Bing.
again. I'm doing really bad at this not filming me thing.
She's getting used to her new phone.
Yeah. Please ignore my...
Jubalina Bing Bing.
Is she a common? What is she? A rare?
She is a rare.
Ooh, let's put her right here. We'll break them up by collections. Mama's gonna keep working on guessing the next one. Who is it?
So I'm thinking maybe a monster from Monsters Inc. Or could it be somebody from Hercules, which you would
If it's somebody from Hercules, I'll be excited. Please give me Painter
Oh,
Peg.
no, I believe. Am I correct? Yes!
Oh, we got Randall!
It's Randall!
He's a creepy one.
He is a creepy one.
You know what, Booby? You are allowed to bark at Randall all you want. All right, Mom's gonna start on the next one. Okay, Mama, who is it?
I have no clue.
Oh, that's a great guess. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Hercules? Please say Hercules. Oh, it's Francis Flutterbutter. We already have one of him. So, Mama.
The same one?
Yes, the exact same one.
Where's Francis Flutterbutter from?
He is from Wreck-It Ralph.
Okay.
So let's put him.
I've only seen Wreck-It Ralph like one time.
Uh-huh.
So she is, my daughter here is much more in tune to the characters from
Yes.
Wreck-It Ralph.
So let's put that one in Le Jardin des Dupes.
Le Jardin des Dupes.
Dupe, dupe, dupe. Because guess what? Even though Hercules is a dupe, Hercules is important. So we saved those.
That's not Hercules.
That's Hades. Hades is important.
Oh,
All
I
right,
gotta
Mom, you gotta guess.
I gotta guess.
Don't cheat. She's a cheater, pumpkin eater.
I did not
Please
guess.
hold. I think Mom's gonna guess with some wishful thinking.
I'm guessing with wishful thinking that it's Sully because we do have a Mike Wazowski from a different.
Mike Wazowski. We do still have a Sully too from the Easter ones, but
let's see. No, it is not. Ooh,
who is it?
He's got sparkly hair.
Oh, it's Vidya from. Oh no, that's not Vidya.
Oh.
That's Silver Mist, I believe.
Oh, you from the fair young.
Is that Silver Mist? The fairies are on the other side. Are over. They're right there. Is it Silver Mist?
Silver Mist? You're right.
Yeah, I know my fairies.
She does.
All right. So just to recap to everyone, this is everything that was in this peak. Is Silver Mist a rare or a common?
Silver Mist is a common.
Common. And then we have Honey Melon, who is also a common, I believe. Mom, she's on the other side.
I believe, yes, she is.
Yes. We have Hades, who I know is a common. Randall, I believe, is a common.
We've got lots of commons.
Yes.
Randall is no.
No, Randall is a rare?
No, Randall's a rare.
Okay, and then we have the King of Hearts, who I know is a common.
Yes.
And then what about our character from Wreck-It Ralph?
Wreck-It Ralph. That's Jubalina Bing Bing is a rare.
Very nice. So this is our haul from this one. Oh, and we got Francis Flutterbutter, who's in there. He is also a common. So the Jardin Dupe is getting full. Don't knock it over.
No. See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Bye.
Bye.